get the house into the video again. Today's not about homes, except it is. I was in court on a contested surrogates court matter, and the principal ask that family members are fighting over is two properties. One property and the property right next door. Two properties. One property found its way into a trust, and the other property found its way into the name of one of the children. The issue is this is a contested trust account. So after the death of grantor, the trustee, the dynasty trust, means the trust did not terminate with the death of the grantor, the person that put property into the trust. That person passed away. The scenario is that one property was in the trust and the other property a number of years ago made its way into the name of one of the children. Well, who paid for it? How was the mortgage paid? Who put down the deposit? Who's been paying the mortgage? Who was collecting it? All of these things are in question, and do they even matter? Well, sometimes a person can advance an argument that really is not the legal point or the legal situation before the court. So let me give you a different context. Say in the divorce arena, one parent wants to visit a child. Well, the other parent could say, put forth the argument, that child doesn't want to visit with you. And that could be a legitimate fact-based argument, except that is not necessarily persuasive under the law. What do I mean by that? Well, just because a child doesn't want to visit a parent, unless there's an articulated reason, well, that child has to visit the parent. Just like a child may not want to go to school or do their homework or take their vitamins or get a shot or go to the doctor, right? There's plenty of things that both children and adults don't want to do. Maybe people don't want to pay their taxes, or they don't want to keep insurance on their car, or right, because of the cost. They have to do those things anyway. So just because you put forth a reason doesn't mean that it's a reason that's based in the law or based as a rational defense to what the other side is saying. So because of that, we have court cases and arguments and an independent trier of fact.